Hello, hello. I want to show you some really cool new ETL features thanks to the amazing Andrea Henderson. Let's go look at what we can do. So look at this. If I go to a formula, there are two new formulas that we can put into our ETL, which can make my life way easier. The first one we're going to do is I'm going to go here. I'm going to do row number. Sure. And look at this. I'm gonna open it up to make it a little bit easier. If I type in here row number, we see it. I can also just type it in if I want to as well. Row underscore number. And all we're going to do is put an open and then close a parentheses. That's all you got to do. Great. Validate. Looks fantastic. Let's hit save and close. Now, why does this matter? Let me show you. Okay, just ran a preview. If I go to preview, now I have all this data in here and whatever. And if I go all the way to the end, boom, now I have a row number right here. Really, really easy. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, whatever, right? How we used to have to do this before having that little trick is I'd have to go over here. I have to go to aggregate, rank, put that thing in there, and then I have to connect something. And then I would have to go here and say row number again, row number, and then click this thing and then go to row number and apply. And then I have to pick something I needed to be on, which is like, oh my gosh, there's so many things that have to happen in here, right? And you could see it's just a bunch of things happening. Oh, could I call it row number again? Row numbers, sure, whatever. But there are all these things that I have to do. So now you could do it in a very quick shot, which is amazing because now you could say, hey, I only want where it's row 1, or you could partition it and say, it's always row 1. You could do all these things with it. That's the first one I want to show you. The second one is also really cool. It will save me a lot of time. So what I used to have to do when I wanted to make something a date, or at least like the first of the month, is I'd have to do this. I have to do year, month, date. Okay, check this out. I'm going to move a little bit fast on this one because this is how I have to do it. Cast, concat, year from date. This is like burned into my brain. Month, date again. Great. And 1. And then cast as date. I'd have to do this. And check this out. If I hit this preview, there we go. Now I finally was able to take every month and year and date and just go put it as the first. So if it's Jan 15th, it doesn't matter. It's Jan 1, right? I have to do that. And you could see that's fine. I can move fast just because I've done it so much. But there's a better way to do this now, thanks to Domo. Check this out. I'm going to do date function. Yeah, sure. Why not? There's a new one where I can just say date. And now what I can do is I can say, hey, yeah, I want the year from date. Great. Comma. I want the month from date. Comma. And 1. And look at that. Easy. Done. And we're going to hit there. Boom. Same thing without me having to do all this concat cast stuff. Anyway, that's really cool. 2 new things in the ETL to make your life significantly easier. Hope you give it a shot. Check it out. And I'll talk to you later. Bye. Hey, I hope that was helpful. If it was, and if you go to dashboarddudes.com, I have a lot of other materials that can help you out too. I have this course, Domo 201. And if you go to Domo 201, here's where I really do a lot on the ETL. We go through every single ETL function and all the chart types. This is a heavy one, but this is how you can learn how to get very, very, very good at Domo, just like me. And you also get a 14-day trial, so you can check that out, have fun with it, see if you like it, and see if it helps out. In addition to that, I have a bunch of other courses you would get instant access to, like how to do the basics of Domo, how to do some dashboarding with me, some governance stuff, bricks, data science, distribution, App Studio, workflows. You get all these things, and you get 30 minutes with me every month if you want to ask something. And I have a Domo job board there where you can look for the latest and greatest Domo jobs that are out. So if you are interested, you can just sign up for a 14-day trial, give it a shot. Hopefully it helps you out. All right. Talk to you later.